Welcome, my people, to a new video from AI Made Tech Reviews. Today, my people, a small tutorial where we are going to show you how to extract all of your data using Google Takeout, and for this we visit our site called takeout.google.com. And see here an explanation of how we can recover our data. We are going to deselect everything, and we are only going to select the data we want to recover. I am interested in recovering my Google Photos, data that was down here. Here is Google Photos. I select Google Photos. We have multiple formats, so I can't choose which format I want the extraction to be in. And then I click Next, and here I can say what I want and how I want to receive it. Well, at this moment, I want to receive a link via email. The format is zip. There are several formats. You can also schedule backups. And I am going to choose 50 GB here because the minimum I want to rescue is, recover is 15 GBs, and I don't have anything between 10 and 15, so I'm going to go to 50. And here I'm going to create the export. When I click here to create export, I just have to wait to receive a link here. You can see the time is, if I see correctly, I don't see the time correctly. It was yesterday that I did it. Maybe it says that it was created on 3/2024 at 10:03 at night, and I'll see how long it takes to receive the email with the link. Come on, wait for the link to arrive and we will continue with the process shortly. Okay, you have already received the mail. I saw the notification on the phone. Now here I see my Google Takeout mail, which was received. In the morning at around 10:49, apparently I'm going to download the files. I'm going to click here. It says, we have finished creating your backup. It says that some images or videos could not be recovered. They couldn't be part of the extraction I just created. Well, I don't give much thought to that. I have photos from 2007 on Google Photos, and well, the interest was to clean it up, and if one or another photo is lost, I may not even know which photos are going to be lost, so I'm going, click here to download the file. I log in with my Google account. Here it tells me the backup information. I click download and there I can download the file. And obviously wait for it to download. The file, as you saw, will be downloaded in zip format. That was the format that I chose there. There is a format, 3G, ZID and zip format. I chose zip since it is the most format so far. I don't know if it compresses more or compresses less. I read the zip format, gave it a name that more or less corresponds to what I'm saving, and I want to save it in a very specific place. I'm going to save it here. Well, there I have to wait for the file to download. The file has been downloaded. I'm going to show it, and I'm going to notice that it is 41 GB. This is the amount. As you saw, it took more or less 12 hours for the email to be generated, and now I can randomly open one or another photo and realize what is inside here. I have been able to recover him as I expected. I'm looking for random things on random dates, and I realized that I was able to recover all my data. That was on a vacation to Paris. I have been able to recover all my photos from all my albums and also from all the different folders that I had in Google Photos without any problem. Obviously, these are the panoramas. You may have missed one or another file, depending on whether or not you have many videos. This can increase the size of the export file, and here is how to do it. I hope the video has been useful to you. Like, share, and I hope the video has been useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and until next time.